shapes like circle, square, oval, rectangle, like this. But they were flat shapes. They all were flat shapes. But in this video, we are going to discuss solid shapes or 3D shapes. Solid shapes or 3D shapes. 3D shapes, you can see I have written on the board. And what is the meaning of this T? What is the meaning of this T? The meaning of this T is dimensions, means length, width and depth. Each and everything has its length, width and depth. You can see on the board. Each solid shape has its length, width and depth. So this is known as dimensions. So 3 dimension means 3D means length, width and depth. So these are, I have made on the board, these are solid shapes. The first shape is, it looks like square and it is known as cube because it's a solid shape of a square. Okay, it is known as cube. Second shape is sphere. Second shape is sphere. The 3-dimensional shape of a circle. Okay. Third one is 3-dimensional shape of a triangle and it is known as pyramid. It is known as pyramid. Okay. Now fourth one is cuboid. 3-dimensional shape of a rectangle and it is known as cuboid. Okay. This shape is cylindrical shape. You can see I have made on the board. This shape is cylindrical shape. Okay. Now come to this shape. This is 3-dimensional shape of a cone and it is also known as cone. Okay. So you understood the difference between 3-dimensional shapes and flat shapes. Now I will show you these solid shapes in reality, and when I show you these shapes, you can better understand the difference between a solid shape and a flat shape. So let's start. So this is first shape. Okay, this is first shape. You can see the length, the width and the depth. So this shape is known as cube and it is 3-dimensional shape of square. This is 3-dimensional shape of a square. This is known as cube. And what is this? You know, this is chalk. You are very familiar with this shape. But do you know the name? This shape is known as cylindrical shape. This shape is known as cylindrical shape. Okay? The shape of a chalk is cylindrical. So this is 3-dimensional shape of a triangle and it is known as pyramid. This is known as pyramid. Okay? See. And this looks like your ball. And this shape is known as, this is a solid shape of a circle and this is known as, it's known as sphere. It is known as sphere. So now next shape. You can see this shape Once again, this shape is known as cube. This is sphere. This is pyramid. This is cone. This is cuboid. This is cylinder. This is known as cylindrical shape, but now it is cylinder. This is known as cylindrical shape. Okay. I hope in better manner you understood about these solid shapes and difference between solid and flat shape. So now we are going to discuss next topic. Okay. In our previous video, we matched many things with flat shapes. In this video, we are going to make few things with these solid shapes. The first shape is cube. So, an ice cube, a noodle ice, they both are cube shape. Cone, birthday cap, and ice cream cone, they are cone in shape. Sphere, football, ball, they both are sphere. Pyramids, prism. I think you never see prism, but in your coming classes you will see prism. So the shape of a prism is pyramid. Okay, and cylinder, cocaine, and bottles, they are of cylindrical shape. Cube, pencil box, duster, lunch boxes, the shape of them are cuboid. So we have matched few things with these shapes. Now, few minutes back, I told you 3D shapes. 3D means three-dimensional shapes. Now we are going to discuss 2D shape. What is 2D shapes? By using a solid shape, when we get a flat shape, this is 2D shapes. Means you can see this. If I keep this on the board and draw a line, by using the base of this solid shape, I got a shape which is square. So, say this is cone shape, and by using the base of a cone shape, we got a circle shape. So this is two-dimensional shape. Means by using a solid shape, we can get a flat shape of its base. Okay. So I hope you understood 2D shapes. Now we will discuss next topic. When faces join like this, they are known as edges. I can make you understand in this shape. Okay? You can see. It's a solid shape. It's a cube. You can see one line, two line. So this is corner. Okay? And you can see a face of a square. So this is known as face. And in flat shape it is side, but in solid shape it is face. And this portion where one face, two faces are joined, this portion is known as edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are edges. Okay? Now you can see this is a cone and two lines are joined here. So you can say corner or vertex. In solid shapes you can say vertex. Okay? Now this is the shape of cone, and when we draw a line, we find out a curved face. Okay? In a cone, we find out a curved face, and the base of a cone is a flat shape. The base of the cone is a flat shape. You can see in this cone, you can see it's a vertex, and when we draw a line, you can see a curved line, means it's a curved face. And when you see the bottom of this cone, it is rounded shape of, it's a circle or flat face. Flat face. Okay? Now you can see a ball. Say this is a ball, and if we draw a line, we can find out a curved face. Okay? So I hope you understood. When two lines are joined, these are corners and sides in flat shape, but in a solid shape you can see these portions. These portions are known as faces. You can see these are faces. And in a these are known as faces. And in a cone, we get a curved face. At the bottom, we always get a flat shape or circle shape, or in ball, football, we get curved face. Okay? So I hope you understood well. So this is all about this video. We will meet in next video again. So before winding up, I want to tell you, if you have purchased your notebooks and books, it's okay. If you have not, please purchase your book. We are going to start a written work, and you will do your work in notebooks and books both. So please purchase your books. I hope you enjoyed in class.